In the fast-paced world of smartphones, where innovation races ahead with every release, Honor is once again making headlines with its upcoming flagship, the Honor Magic 8 series. And now, the global model has officially made its appearance on Geekbench, confirming some seriously exciting details about the next-generation hardware it carries. Welcome to TechVerse, your trusted source for all the latest and most accurate tech updates, where today we dive deep into everything you need to know about the Honor Magic 8, from its Geekbench scores to leaked specifications and expected release timeline. The Honor Magic 8 lineup is reportedly set to launch in mid-October in China, with at least two variants, the standard Magic 8 and the more advanced Magic 8 Pro. Recently, the Magic 8 Pro was spotted on Geekbench, giving us a first look at its powerful configuration, but now, the spotlight has shifted to the global variant of the standard Magic 8, which has finally surfaced, carrying the model number BKQN49, while its Chinese sibling holds the model number BKQN80. This listing reveals something major. The global model is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, making it one of the earliest global devices to feature this cutting-edge chip, coupled with a generous 12 gigabytes of RAM and running Android 16 right out of the box. The Geekbench scores tell an interesting story. 3,563 points in single-core and 7,632 points in multi-core performance. Numbers that hint at tremendous power, though slightly below the Magic 8 Pro's 10,813 multi-core score, likely because the tested unit is a pre-production model, not yet fully optimized. Even so, these figures are impressive, placing the Magic 8 firmly among the strongest Android smartphones currently in development. Beyond performance, Honor is clearly focusing on endurance and design. A Weibo tipster recently revealed that the standard Magic 8 will feature a 6.58-inch display, offering a balanced size for comfort and visuals, and more impressively, it's backed by a 7,000 milliamp hours battery, a capacity that's nearly unmatched in the flagship segment, paired with 90W fast charging support, meaning you'll get hours of use from just a few minutes of charging. In an era where even premium devices struggle to balance power and efficiency, this battery setup could be one of the biggest selling points for Honor's new flagship. The device is expected to launch in at least 3 elegant color options, gold, black, and blue, catering to both professional and stylish users alike. Now, looking deeper into what makes the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 special, this chipset represents Qualcomm's most advanced processor yet, built on a cutting-edge architecture that delivers incredible speed, energy efficiency, and AI-driven optimization. For Honor, adopting this chip means not only improved gaming and multitasking, but also smoother AI features, faster camera processing, and enhanced connectivity. Paired with Android 16, users can expect improved system fluidity, better resource management, and new personalization tools that take full advantage of this hardware. What's fascinating is how Honor continues to refine its flagship strategy. The Magic 8 series seems poised to compete directly with other 2025 premium devices like the Galaxy S25, Xiaomi 15, and OnePlus 13, not only in performance but in user experience. The Geekbench debut of the global model is also a strong hint that Honor plans a swift global rollout after the Chinese launch, possibly aiming to strengthen its international market presence before the holiday season. For now, the official release date in China is expected to be October 15th, while global availability details remain under wraps, though we can expect announcements shortly after the domestic launch. Considering the company's recent track record, Honor has been consistently shortening the time gap between Chinese and international releases, so fans worldwide might not have to wait long. If we compare it to Magic 8 Pro, which achieved slightly higher benchmark results, 3,634 single-core and 10,813 multi-core, it's clear that Honor is optimizing each variant differently to suit user preferences and pricing segments. The Pro model will likely feature a larger display, improved camera hardware, and possibly even faster charging. But for most users, the standard Magic 8 with its 7,000 milliamp hours battery and flagship processor already delivers top-tier performance without compromise. The design, though not officially confirmed, is rumored to continue Honor's sleek aesthetic tradition with ultra-thin bezels, a curved-edge AMOLED panel, and a refined camera module layout that emphasizes both beauty and function. From a strategic point of view, this move marks Honor's continued evolution since its independence from Huawei, proving that it can not only survive but thrive in the global smartphone race by combining premium performance with competitive pricing. But beyond raw power and specs, the Honor Magic 8 could redefine what users expect from a modern flagship. The combination of massive battery, powerful chipset, and next-gen software all in one package shows that Honor is listening to its audience and focusing on real-world needs rather than just benchmark bragging rights. With Android 16 on board, we can also expect smarter battery management, adaptive refresh rates, and smoother multitasking. Features that can make the Magic 8 series one of the most balanced smartphones of 2025. Another key highlight worth mentioning is the growing excitement among the tech community. With the Geekbench listing now public, tech enthusiasts and reviewers are already speculating about how the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 will perform against the Apple A18 Pro and MediaTek Dimensity 9400, both of which are shaping up to be formidable competitors. Still, given Honor's optimization capabilities and thermal management improvements seen in previous models, expectations are sky high. The Magic 8 might just become the sleeper hit of the year, offering performance and endurance that rivals even the most expensive flagships at a potentially lower price point. As for software, Honor's Magic OS 9, based on Android 16, is expected to debut with this device, bringing improved animations, deeper customization options, and tighter integration with Google services. A strong signal that Honor wants to appeal to global users who demand seamless performance without the compromises once associated with Chinese OEMs. In summary, the Honor Magic 8's Geekbench debut confirms everything we hope for: a true powerhouse powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, equipped with massive RAM, a battery that outlasts most flagships, and an aesthetic design that continues Honor's tradition of elegance. The multi-core score may currently be slightly lower due to pre-release optimization, but once the device launches officially, we can expect significant improvements through firmware updates. The Magic 8 series represents not just another smartphone release, but a statement that Honor is ready to stand shoulder to shoulder with global giants. And if the leaks are accurate, we might be looking at one of the best balanced smartphones of the year. So, if you're excited about top-tier performance, long-lasting power, and cutting-edge software, keep your eyes on mid-October, because the Honor Magic 8 is shaping up to be a true flagship killer. Before upgrading or switching devices, always compare the latest benchmarks, battery efficiency, and software features to make an informed choice. The Honor Magic 8 might just surprise you with its power and longevity, but waiting for official launch details could help you get the best deal. Stay tuned with TechVerse, where technology meets truth and the future of innovation is always one video away.